Hi, I'm Julie Donnelly from Julstro Muscular Therapy Center. I've developed the unique Julstro techniques to be a self-treatment system to release the muscle spasms that are caused by repetitive strain injuries. In my practice, which started way back in 1986, I deal a great deal with athletes and people who really enjoy endurance sports and pretty much beat up their bodies. Working with the endurance athletes, I've found that many times they'll have pain in their knee every time they try to straighten their leg out when they're running. And it's caused by two little muscles. One is called popliteus, the other one is called plantaris. If you go to do an internet search, you can take a look at the placement of these two muscles because it's very important. What the muscles do is they attach the your thigh bone with the bone of the lower leg, and they're called the key that unlocks the knee, because what the popliteus does is when you want to bend your knee, it has to contract. But if your knee stays bent for an extended period of time, for example, you're driving a car for a long distance or you're sitting at your desk, what happens is the muscle shortens. You then try to straighten your leg and the muscle is just too short to make the go. If you think about if you pull your hair and your scalp hurts, well, what's happening is the muscle, because of its insertion point on the bone, as it's pulling and you're trying to straighten your leg, it's like pulling your hair as hard as you can and then trying to turn your head in the opposite direction. The exact same pain that you would get by making that movement is the pain that you're getting in the posterior knee. And nobody looks at it. I don't know why, but nobody looks at it. It's extremely easy to treat. I've had so many athletes, specifically cyclists, ultra cyclists, because their knee is bent for hours and hours if they're endurance cyclists. You want to be able to treat that muscle. It's very easy to treat it. If you'd like more information about muscles such as the popliteus, please come and visit me at my website, www.julstro.com. Also, you can come and learn how to treat the muscles of your knee as well as all the other muscles to self-treatment clinics that I teach around the country. For more information on them, you can visit my website as well. I hope to meet you one day in the future. Thank you.